Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional, not from of today's newspaper. No, it's yesterday's newspaper on Thursday, August the 26th, 2021. Today it's actually Friday, August the 27th, 2021. So almost weekend, and two puzzles are left. I've already done the 1 star, the 2 stars, and now it's time for the binary puzzle and the tectonic. But first, the binary puzzle number 2. This will be a number 3308. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Yes, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then, I think we need to compare now. Yes, it's time to compare. Do we have a double? Oh, no. 101. Yeah. This column and that column. 110011 empty box. Empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are ones. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great. A binary. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a few seconds with the last puzzle in the yesterday's newspaper, the additional. It will be a tectonic with 1 star. So see you then. Bye bye for now.